Hello, saw your question on the discussion board. I went ahead and made a picture out of it. You have wind blowing north 60 degrees, 67 degrees east. And so if north is straight up and to the right is east, then you're coming off 67 degrees. And it's blowing at 25 miles an hour, so that's the magnitude here. So we need this angle here, and so be 90 minus 67 is 23 degrees. So I redraw this as a right triangle, where the angle is 23 and the hypotenuse is 25. The magnitude's 25, and we need to find a reference angle, which is 23. And we want to solve for A and B. So I just used the earlier definition, cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So, cosine 23 would be A over 25. Multiply both sides by 25. A is 25 times cosine 23 degrees. Put that in the calculator. Be careful to be in degree mode. And I get 23.0 is the value of A. The sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So in this case, sine of 23 opposite would be B, and the hypotenuse still 25. So sine 23 degrees equals B over 25. Multiply both sides by 25, and I put that in the calculator, and I got 9.8. I rounded to the nearest tenth. They wanted it in this form here, AI plus BJ, where we've already calculated the horizontal and the vertical components. So it's 23I plus 9.8J. Hope this helps.